Kumshi benta jang kajing snok ti lang bat kari India barok away ha kajing Rakhe ya ka 80 Independence Day ha ka singilat luat ka ba prapo ka Southwest Khasi District la Rakhe ya ka nigasi karpang hamadan jang ka Nativity Higher Secondary School maukarwat ha ka ba ubranding e sangma MLA jang ka Kherapara constituency bat kom up menteri bapet ya ka border areas development department home civil defense and home guards department excise department jang ka sarkar Meghalaya ola shim ya ka benta ban kentiu ya ka lama lairong bat shimru ya ka Rashtriya salute jang ki Pratalik School kentup ya ka NCC ka Scout and Guides ka pipe band bat ka police department. Hakani ka jing Rakhe ka ladan ro ka jing shatan rai jing rai bat jing pen iya ka drama na ki khena school hadian kata la pen board ka jing sam ki khusnam nong job ha ka march pass ha ka ba ka GNV Southwest Khasi District kala job ha ka kerdan beningkong ka Maharam Government Higher Secondary School ma karbat ha ka kerdan pa ar pat ka balang maulangwer Higher Secondary School maulangwer ha ka kerdan balai ki wede ki jing ai khusnam ki kentop ki best performing Asha facilitators bat ki Asha ki bade ki nong job Haka district level kentup ya karang thong PHC but plang dilon SC kum ki best performance hapo ka JAS PHC SC Kibalaya dan lang ha kani kasngi ki long na do ka kong AL Maulong IAS Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills Maukarwat uba Bijirwa MPS Superintendent of Police Southwest Khasi District Maukarwat uba LGM Kharmi MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District Maukarwat uba I Laurnyang MCS Block Development Officer Maukarwat CNRD Block ki officer sarkar lambat ki wede Yakani kasi la luat jangkari India la Rakhe ru hapo Ranikor Civil Subdivision hakaba uba Shaklar Wajri MLA ka Mauthat Raishan constituency ulapen her ya kalama rairong bat shimru ya ka salute jangki shipotili ki school balalam khamat da ka Meghalaya police hapo madan nuli kata Ranikor Kibalaya dan lang kilong uba LT Taryang MCS Subdivisional Officer Ranikor Civil Subdivision Southwest Khasi District Maukarwat uba ASP Marak MCS Assistant Commissioner Southwest Khasi District uba Esmarwen MCS Block Development Officer Ranikor CNRD Block Lambat Kiwede.
Day is celebrated across the nation with great enthusiasm to make every possible effort to the best of my ability to keep my district, my state,
Mengalutnya kali syakir jahat borhaki bagi bagi jadwal kembang menang tabor menang semakin merau akhirnya kita kibas ni kata mau drugs ika mau awal bagi kami bagi baru minum tadi merau. Nanti kamu semua coba.
Next in line is the Marquardt Presbyterian Secondary School contingent with Captain Piban Aibor Yao. Now approaching is the contingent from Christian Principals Academy Secondary School led by Captain Elang Miki Sangma and flag bearer Lat Skem Bakerman Wanyang. Following them is the Kerlin Secondary School contingent under Captain Dam Me Pendap Lingkhoi, flag bearer Daman Pha Lingdo Marshilong. Marching up next is the Rising Secondary School led by Captain Hambi Yai Kemenlingdo and flag bearer Wat Borlang Wanyang. We now have the contingent from Bethel Secondary School led by Captain Pinskem Jingmut Snaitang and flag bearer Arbor Star Shangdiar. And finally, bringing the march past to its conclusion, we welcome the Central Training Institute and Home Guards Pipe Band led by Head Constable R.C. Lamare as they approach the saluting base with precision and rhythm.
Thank you so much, Honorable Director Sir, for the honor of taking the parade salutes.
On the historic occasion of the 80th Independence Day of our great nation, it gives me immense pleasure to extend my warm greetings and best wishes to the people of Meghalaya. As the tricolor unfurled, we remember with gratitude the countless freedom fighters whose courage and sacrifice secured our freedom and laid the foundation of our democracy. We also pay our heartfelt tribute to Meghalaya's great heroes, U Thiro Ching, U Kyang Nongba, Pa Thogan and Sangma, whose valor and sacrifice continue to inspire generations. We also salute the brave men and women of our armed forces, police, fire and emergency services, whose dedication and sacrifice safeguard our nation and our people. Meghalaya's journey of growth. Meghalaya's story is deeply woven into India's journey of progress. Blessed with abundant natural resources, a rich cultural heritage and talented people, our state has the potential to become a major gateway of trade, investment and prosperity in the Northeast. Guided by the Mission 10 and State Vision 2032, Meghalaya's economy has more than doubled since 2018. We are now working towards our ambitious goal of tripling the state economy to 1.35 lakh crore by 2023, in keeping with the vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047. Meghalaya has emerged as one of the fastest growing states in the country, sustaining strong economic growth even in the post-COVID period. At the same time, development must remain firmly rooted in our identity, our traditions, indigenous knowledge, languages, and cultural heritage define who we are. The recent recognition of Khasi and Garo as official language, alongside English, is a historic step towards preserving and strengthening our unique identity. Peace, security, and good governance. Peace and security are the foundation of development. The process of erecting boundary pillars in the 6 areas of different regions with Assam is progressive. While efforts continue for an amicable resolution of the remaining areas. In our international border areas, the vibrant villages program phase 2 is progressing with verification and profile updatation of the 92 identified villages completed. The government continues to strengthen the implementation of the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act. We are also strengthening our police and justice system through modernization, forensic capabilities, cybersecurity infrastructure, and improved judicial infrastructure. Good governance remains at the heart of our development agenda. Through CM Connect, citizen engagement has crossed 1 lakh interactions, bringing government closer to the people.